Hey, hi everyone. Today I make a video how to invoke Python script in UiPath, right? So for that first we have to write one Python code which is very basic. A equal to 4, B equal to 5 and C equal to A plus B and print C, right? So after the writing the code we have to save this file. Add.py, right? So for invoking the Python script, first we have to take load Python script activity, right? And we will search the path. Here is this add and we will create one variable called v script. Okay. We are getting a error due to Python scope. So when you have to invoke the code, either you have to load Python script, you have to first take Python scope activity, and under Python scope activity you have to take activity load Python script, and where you have to pass the path, right? After that you have to take invoke Python method. Through that we have to invoke the code, right? So for that first you have to copy all. Okay. Instance you have to create the variable called vscript, and the name is add, right? And again you have to create one variable called v invoke. After that you have to take one activity called get Python object. Through that we have to get the object, right? Here just you have to Click invoke, and in result you have to take output, take one message box, right? This is the output plus v output dot to string, right? Save. So this is the way to invoke the Python script. And one more thing is that just I show you. Yes, in a scope here also need to set the path, whatever path we will take here, and here you get target in target 86 and 64. So my target is 64, so I will mention 64, and this is compulsory to write version also. So here you got Python 27, 33, 34, 35, 36. So for that simply you have to write Python. I have 36, right? 3.6 version in 64-bit. So I will select here 3.6 64. So this is compulsory to mention version and target and path also, right? So this is the way to invoke the Python script. So thank you guys, hope you are understood.